But Keisha, when I invest in real estate, do you know if the value going to go up for certain? Yes it will, because real estate is an investment. And remember, investments are how you build wealth. The secret behind it though is that you have to understand that with real estate, it is a long-term investment. It's not a quick flip, slam bam, thank you ma'am. It's long-term. So you buy and you hold. You be patient and you hold. When you're using real estate as an investment, you think about it also for the rental income that you get. And the capital appreciation is the added brata on top of that in terms of your investment return. So you're getting two things: rental income and capital appreciation, which is fantastic when you think about it, because that is where you want the return, the wealth creation. So yes, real estate makes sense. All you have to do is buy a really good property, study the market, look for the right location, make sure you're spending appropriately for this investment, and then get some income. Think about rental income, and most importantly, hold for the long term. That's how the wealthy people do it. They buy and hold. So that's what we need to be doing as well. Buy and hold with real estate.